Now, after finding winning products, the next step is finding a name for your store and then creating an email that matches the name of your store so you can use that email when building your website and to use it for customer service as well. Okay, so to find a name for your store, you just go on Google and type in online business name generator and literally a bunch will pop up. Okay, as you can see here, it says free business name generator. You can come here, click it, and literally type in keywords garden. And literally, as you can see, a bunch of names just popped up. Wind Garden, Glee Garden, Eco Garden. You want to just browse through them and see what name is available. Now, once you browse through them, you want to make sure that these names are actually available just in case you want to go ahead and buy a domain later on. Like I said, you don't need to buy a domain or anything, but later on, maybe when you start making a little bit of money, you can then choose to buy a domain so you can brand out your store, right? So let's say we want to use Garden X. You want to go on GoDaddy.com. This is just to check if it's available. You're not going to buy the domain. So GardenX.com. That's a very popular sounding name. That's available, but it'd be $69 because it sounds so popular. It sounds way too good to be cheap. Okay, so Garden X won't work. Okay, so you just keep going, typing in different keywords here until you find the name of your store that's available. Then the next step is to, like I said, create an email that matches this name so you can use it for customer service and to build your website. You know what I'm saying? So it has to match so it looks uniform and it looks well put together. Make sure everything matches all the time when it comes to building anything online. So to do that, obviously, you're just going to go to gmail.com and then you want to click create an account. Next step will then be to go ahead and build your Shopify store for $0. And like I said, you'll be able to get at least 30 days free trial. And with the marketing strategies I'm going to show you here soon, you should be able to get at least $30 profit within 30 days to pay for the Shopify plan after 30 days. Or, and like I said, if you don't make sales after 30 days, create a new email, replicate what you just did, and keep trying until you're able to get sales. You know what I'm saying?